motorcycle show in Atlanta, Georgia. Here at the beautiful Cobb Gallery. We got a lot of things happening here at the Progressive Garage. Our main attraction features the slot track. Come on over and do some competitive racing with your friends, your family, your boss, your co-workers, your brother and sister. We got lots of prizes to give away, from a custom designed t-shirt, ball caps, bandanas, all behind the Progressive wall here at our Progressive Lounge. While you're here at the Progressive Garage, be sure to check out Rachel to my right. Rachel is registering you to try to win this beautiful custom-built Garmin motorcycle. If you are an active military or a veteran, you get a chance to try to win this custom-built Garmin motorcycle. If you have any questions about Progressive, please step online to Agent Alley. Our live agents are here to answer your questions about your policy. Folks, Larry. Say hi, Larry. Wave to me. There we go, Larry. Larry is a local artist who is painting gas tanks here. If you'd like a chance to win a custom painted gas tank, find one of our beautiful Progressive models. They have iPads on them. They can get you registered to win a custom-built gas tank. We want to thank you again for joining us here at the Progressive Garage here at the Progressive International Motorcycle Show.